we are just going to land in Washington, D.C. Flights coming and going within the United States of America usually land in Washington, D.C., whereas international flights are operated at Dallas, that is in Virginia. I will share that video also. Washington, D.C. is a beautiful capital and place to be. It has its own attraction. Although everyone wants to be in the New York, as in our cohort, everyone wishes to be in the New York. You know, New York has its own attraction. But talking about the Washington DC, really, we spent 5 days there and we enjoyed a lot. I wish I had been there too again. We visited White House, Washington Monument, Washington Museum. We went there at Washington Harbor and had a beautiful boat ride from the waters. We just fly over it. We had a one-day tour on the tourist bus. The driver and the tour guide was Amina. Nice girl was that. She has guided us a lot about the Washington DC, and I have shared a lot of videos and will be sharing a lot of videos regarding my stay at Washington DC. We stayed at 10th Street. Beautiful place that is. All the official buildings are nearby that street. Usually we went out there on foot and having nice view of the Washington DC. Beautiful. You are having a bird eye view of the Washington DC just before the landing. Hopefully you are enjoying it. We are on Southwest Airline. Now you are having a beautiful view of the waters in the Washington DC. I have already shared video related to our boat ride in those waters, and I have shown you the Washington airport as well. You may go to my channel and subscribe as well, because I am sharing beautiful videos related to different parts of the world capital, the world cities. Beautiful, beautiful view of Washington DC. That place is just close to the airport. Beautiful. Yes, I'm telling that I am sharing different videos related to the world and the nature, the beautiful world, the beautiful places of the world cities. You may subscribe my channel for such beautiful videos. Now just we are going to land at Washington Airport. Yes, it is. I always enjoy those moments. Thanks Allah Almighty that we have landed safely. Although some of the people are afraid of it. When we landed in Washington, there was a heavy rain over there, as you might have seen. there are some drops on the window.
Welcome you to Washington, D.C. Please remain seated when we step up securely fastened and you carry on slow to the aircraft comes to a complete stop. When the passengers have their seatbelts tied, be careful of opening the overhead bin. That is very checked in and they will fall out. If you're connecting here to another suspect flight, double check the seat monitors for your flight and gate information. This is the termination of this flight number. Make sure gather all your belongings once you exit the aircraft. You're not allowed to come back and retrieve your items, so I'll have to wait for one of us to get it for you. We have been advised to serve you today, whether you have many choices when you travel, and we thank you so much for choosing Southwest Airlines. Welcome to Washington.
Thank you very much. Welcome to Washington, D.C. Yes, we are in Washington, D.C. When we get out of the airport, there was a heavy rain, and we need to take some extra measures to save our luggage and ourselves and get into the bus.